Welcome drone video fans, my name is Bill, and in this 4.5-minute video we're going to take a look at the Shoreline erosion project, which is they mostly completed. There's some work they're going to do in the springtime, but you saw the last video. None of this was here. All they had just a bare start of placing these large rocks, 2 to 5 ton boulders along the shoreline. And it used to be an actual cliff along the lakefront here, but now they've graded it, and they really did a lot of work here. There's, you see those rocks there, but we're passing over some burlap area, but underneath that burlap is several layers of rocks and rubber sheeting and dirt, and I think that well, I'm sure they're going to be planting grass over the top of this burlap in the springtime. But the rubber sheaths are to prevent any water that splashes down from eroding the base that they put down. Plus, they have several, probably like 6 or 8 drains running from the sidewalk area out into the lake. So they really did one heck of a job. We're coming up now on the picnic area, and they even replaced the walkway that goes down to the lake, which was all battered from the elements. So they did a real good job on that. We've turned around, and we're going to sort of fly sideways here to the east, and I'll let you see that again. Those rocks are boulders that were quarried on the western side of Ohio and had to be driven all the way across to the eastern side of Ohio, where this is located. And you see the burlap covered area. In the springtime, they're going to plant grass. They've got to replace the sidewalk that got washed away, a lot of trees, replace the benches. There's still some restoration work, but they took care of the main part here of getting in this shoreline erosion section done, so that no more of the land and facilities will be washed away by the lake, which just pounds away at this shoreline during the winter. The water right now, when I shot this back a couple weeks ago, or a week ago, was 36 degrees. The air temperature was 45, but with the wind blowing onto the lake, off the lake, the air temperature where I'm standing, which will be seeing here as I zoom in to 2x, is there I am, huddled in and dressed up. My fingers were kind of shaking, which meant the video wasn't as stable as normal. But we're just going to take a quick swing here and show the rest of it. And again, they just I think they did a fantastic job, and I expect this to hold up for a long time. And I look forward to seeing what how they're going to finish it up in the springtime, when they have the extra time. So we get to this point here, and then I'm going to bring the camera back out a little bit and turn it back to regular 1x, and do my normal way of landing. The Evo has obstacle avoidance, and if you try to bring it into a landing with stuff in the front of you, it starts beeping and putting up a fuss. So what I usually do is I fly it in fairly close, then turn it around backwards and back it in, because the rear sensors will not stop the aircraft from landing, stop the quadcopter from landing. So anyways, we just wanted to give you a quick update on the work that they did here. I think they did a great job. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Leave a comment if you are so inclined, and or ask any questions you might have, and we'll catch you again shortly in another video as the weather gets better. Thanks for stopping and watching.